Have you been trying to reach out to someone and you just found out that you've been blocked by the person? Maybe you are trying to connect your phone to reach out to that person, but the call keeps saying line busy or something else, but it just can't go through. Okay. Now, if that's the reason why you clicked to this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to hide your phone number so that it will be able to go through and that person will not know that you are the one that's calling. Okay. All right, make sure you like and subscribe as we get started. So the first thing you need to do is click on your call log, your die button. Okay. So after doing that, okay, I'm going to show you the device that I'm using to set this. Before we go, let me just tell you what device I'm using. I'm going to use a two device to walk you on this in case maybe you are using another device that the setting is not the same with this one. Now this is Techno Spark 8C. As you can see over here, it's Techno Spark 8C. That's the phone I'm using. So I'm going to show you the setting on Techno Spark 8C, and I'm also going to show you on Techno Pop 10. This one I'm using right here is Techno Spark 8C, but I'm also going to show you the same setting on Techno Pop 10. Okay, I'm sure no matter what device you are using, the setting might be the same with these two phones that I'm about to show you now. So okay, as I told you, just click on your die button. Now head over to setting, click on your setting icon. As you can see now, you see, let me just let this clear a bit. SIM card setting. You see this SIM card setting, just click on it. After clicking SIM card setting, you see carrier feature. Now click on it. Now to take you down to the SIM you are using, whether MTN or Airtel or whatsoever line you are using, depending on which country you are. So I'm using MTN. So just click on it. Now you also see additional setting. Okay, see this additional setting here, just click on it. Now wait for it to load. Okay, just finish loading and it has opened. Okay, now you see caller ID. You see this caller ID. Now we are going to hide our caller ID so that the person will not be able to know that we are the one calling, and that's how our line is going to be able to go through after doing this. Now just click on it. You see it say network default. It's set on network default. So the second thing you see there is hide number, then the third one is show number. So we are going to put it on hide number. So after putting this on hide number, you see that just try to go and call that the same number that blocked you. You see that it's going to go through. Now when you do this, no matter any number that you call, it's going to show private number on the person's phone. Okay, no matter whether it's the person that blocked you or any other line you are trying to call, whether the person blocked you or the person did not block you, your number is going to be showing private number. So you must make sure that after you must have contacted the person you are trying to call, you should go back and undo whatever you do. If not, your line will continue to be showing private number. Okay, so that's it for this our Techno Spark 8 device. Now the next phone I'm going to show you with is Techno Pop 10. Okay, now we have a Techno Pop 10 device here. This is Techno Pop 10. Let me show you confirmation. Okay, as you can see the name over here, Techno Pop 10. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the same setting here in Techno Pop 10. So just head back. Now the same way that we located the setting, we are going to locate it in the same way here. Click your call log. Okay, now you're also going to click on the setting icon here. Click on setting. Now after clicking that, you see all the different settings here. So let's just scroll up a bit. Now you see carrier feature. I'm pretty sure you saw this on the other device that I just used to show you now. So just click on it, click on career feature. Now it also take you down to your, okay, don't mind my phone, the camera I'm using to record this is not that clear, so just pardon me. Okay, you see your the same network device you are using, just click on it. After clicking on it, you also come down to additional setting. I'm sure you saw additional setting on the first one, so you just click on it and wait for it to load. Now it just opened. Now I clicked, just click on caller ID, just like the other one. You see it will show you network default. It's set on network default. Now if you want to hide your phone number, you just click hide number. Once you put it on this hide number, it will automatically hide your phone number, and that line you are trying to call will automatically go through after doing this. So that is it. Like as I told you, after you must have done this, make sure you head back here and undo whatever setting that you did. I'm going to walk you through it again. Make sure you just head back and undo whatever setting you did here, so that your 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 phone number can be able to show whenever you reach out to someone. So just click on it, then additional setting, see, caller ID. Sorry about the device I'm using. This one is a, so just put it back to network default where it was before. Okay, so that is it. Just gonna, so we just have to head back. Okay, all right, thank you very much for watching. If this video really helps you a lot, make sure you like and subscribe. All right, see you on my next video.